Hi everyone, this is my first YouTube video and I want to start with Constitution as it has the most weightage in the UGC NET law exam. So first things I'd like to tell you for UGC NET exam is please print the syllabus and have the physical copy with you, alright, and read the syllabus thoroughly. Okay, first step is that. Then secondly, for Constitution, you don't need any specialized books, you don't need a lot of material, you can just stick to the bare act. All right, that is enough. You can see a lot of videos are there on YouTube, you don't need a lot of material. That is why I'm telling you this. And then secondly, starting with the Constitution or any other subject of law for that matter, I would recommend please do make your own handwritten notes. All right, so starting with Constitution, first of all we come to the preamble. The preamble is obviously the introductory part, right? So here are my notes which I feel are enough just for this topic, preamble, right? Preamble is the introduction to the Constitution stating its purpose, aims and justification, right? So before starting with all of these points, I would like you to focus on the preamble itself, and from the starting we can see, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, political. Why I'm reading this literally like a child in front of you is, ये आपको बिल्कुल रटा होना चाहिए, like नो अदर वे. आप ये नहीं सोच सकते इसके बाद ये आएगा क्या, ये आएगा, बिल्कुल कन्फ्यूजन का स्कोप नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज टाइम एंड अगेन आई ऑल्सो हैव अ बुक जिसमें स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक वाइज MCQs हैं, PYQs हैं, एंड आई कैन लिटरली शो यू हाउ मेनी टाइम्स प्रियम्बल के लिटरली ऑर्डर कि जस्टिस के बाद इकोनॉमिक पहले आएगा या सोशल पहले आएगा या पॉलिटिकल पहले आएगा. एंड स्पेशली दिस वन, फ्रिटर्निटी अश्योरिंग द यूनिटी, कभी इंटेग्रिटी डाल देते हैं. सो यू नीड टू नो कि फ्रिटर्निटी के बाद अश्योरिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल ही आएगा. ऑल राइट, सो प्रियम्बल को रट लो, देयर इज नो अदर वे. रोट लर्निंग कुछ चीज़ों में लॉ में करनी पड़ती है एंड उसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट कुछ पार्ट थियोरेटिकल होता है और कुछ पार्ट स्टैटिक होता है. So this is all stats based on facts. You need to learn this. There's no other way to go about it, right? I can even show you. So I have this book. I'll just quickly show you. I have this book, and इसमें if we quickly open to Constitution. Okay. First of all, as you can see, this is the Constitution page, and you can see in 2025. January paper, right, which was, you can consider 2024 December का एग्ज़ाम, उसमें 16 questions आए थे, which means what? It means 32 marks का आपको इसी सब्जेक्ट से आ रहा है. then 13, फिर 21 questions, then again 21. so I have this whole analysis इस टॉपिक से कौन सा क्वेश्चन आया है. Apart from that, now you can see this topic is preamble, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSP, right? So अब इससे clearly we can see that इतने सारे questions हमसे preamble के order वगैरह में भी पूछे जाते हैं. I'll attach the pictures, and मैंने बहुत सारे PYQs जो YouTube videos में भी देखे हैं. So simply there's no point in me telling you this. आपने खुद भी observe करा होगा कि प्रियम्बल को रटना ही पड़ेगा. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट अगर आपको सर्च नहीं करना है तो. ओके, नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद माय नोट्स. सो आई हैव मेड, या, सो फर्स्ट talking about the preamble, let me show you the entire page. So preamble, it is the introduction to the constitution stating its purpose, एम्स एंड जस्टिफिकेशन. जो हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो कहाँ से अडॉप्ट किया गया है, ये क्वेश्चन भी आया था, whether it's been adopted from Government of India Act 1935 or from USA or from anywhere else. But the answer is it is adopted from Objective Resolution, which was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, as you can see, and it was introduced. This Objective Resolution was introduced on 13th December 1946 and accepted on 22nd January 1949. Okay, and now this yellow page that I've put, इसमें preamble is a political horoscope, ये KM मुंशी जी ने कहा था. Preamble is the soul, ये ठाकुर दास भार्गवा जी ने कहा था. Preamble is the identity card, ये N.A. पालकीवाला जी ने कहा था. Preamble is the key to the mind of the framers, ये री बेरुबारी केस 1960 में कहा गया था. And it is the preamble is the sum and substance of the features of constitution. This was said in Sajjan Singh versus Union of India 1965. So literally the words you see here have been directly asked in the question. Alright, that is why I have mentioned them here, that आपसे simply पूछ लेंगे who said that preamble is the political horoscope, right? And they'll give you options KM Munshi, N.A. Palkiwala, Thakur Das Bhargava, and you will have to answer and you can't get confused. So this is something that you have to learn. Alright, now so some facts have written that America was the first country that adopted the preamble, right? And then we the people, you must have seen कि जो US का constitution होता है that also starts with we the people, and our Indian constitution as well, and the UN charter also starts with we the people. Alright, so इसमें कोई confusion की बात नहीं है अभी तक. I hope you've understood whatever I have explained. Now coming to two very important cases that are related to the preamble. So is preamble a part of the constitution? This question was arised first in Re Berubari case 1960, where it was held that preamble is not a part of the constitution. Alright, and then this was overruled in Keshwananda Bharti case in 1973, where it was held that preamble is a part of the constitution and can be amended, but basic structure cannot be amended. Alright, so ये जो definition आपको दी हुई है, ये line ये बहुत important है. You need to remember this. If I'm not wrong, I clearly remember either in the June paper right now or in the December paper it was asked, in which case was it held that preamble is not a part of the constitution. अब हम इतना ज़्यादा हम पढ़ते हैं that preamble is a part of constitution in केशवानंदा भारती, तो हमारे माइंड में क्विकली सिर्फ ये आता है कि अगर पार्ट की बात हो रही है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की और प्रियम्बल से रिलेटेड है तो ऑब्वियसली केशवानंदा भारती होगा. तो ये कंफ्यूजन बहुत लोगों को हो जाती है कि प्रियम्बल पार्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का है या नहीं, ये कौन से केस में कहा गया है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप इसको इस ऑर्डर में ही करें कि पहले नॉट अ पार्ट एंड देन अ पार्ट. ऑलराइट, नाउ प्रियम्बल में वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्रियम्बल में ये वर्ड सोशलिस्ट, secular and integrity. Alright, as I have written here as well for your clear understanding, that these three words socialist, secular and integrity were added by the 42nd amendment in the year 1976. If you have attempted the June paper of 2025 I'm talking about, you know that this was asked that secular word was added by which amendment. It was a literally this very simple question. So in preamble, that's all that's going to be asked. So you can take a screenshot and this is the page that you can read and go, and preamble will be done from here. Literally इसको रट लो and in notes को read कर लो.